Hello everyone. Today I will read The Best Paper Plane, written by the Asia Foundation. Let's read. Illustrated by Yam Loi Choi. Published by Let's Read Asia. Feha woke up early and looked out the window. Clear blue skies and no wind. It was a beautiful day for flying. Feha and his friend, Akra, had been testing paper airplane designs all week and they had found the perfect one for today's contest. Feha quickly changed from his airplane pajamas into his airplane shirt. He jumped over the model airplanes scattered across his room, used his airplane toothbrush to brush his teeth, and flew out to the kitchen.
Feha, slow down. You're eating too fast, his mom warned.
Feha shuffled another spoonful of breakfast into his mouth. But I have to go meet Akra at school. I want to get there early to see what the other kids are making. We have to win the contest so we can visit the airport and go in the airplanes.
Just slow down, his mother sighed. Remember, Uncle Burry will be there today.
Uncle Bory was the reason Feha loved airplanes so much. He was a pilot and would tell Feha stories for hours about his adventures in the cockpit and visits to far-off lands. Feha thought he had the best job in the world. I know, yelled Feha as he dashed out the door, leaving behind a mess on the table. Feha wasn't going to be late. He had to tell Akra it was the perfect day for their super-fast, short-wing jet paper airplane design. But when Feha got to the school, Akra had a different idea.
Feha, Akra said, it's the perfect weather for our long-wing super glider design. It will fly the entire length of the field.
Definitely not, responded Feha. We're going with the short-wing jet design.
But Akra started.
Anyway, the super glider doesn't look cool, Feha interrupted.
Ugh, you never listen to me, yelled Akra. I quit.
Fine, quit, said Feha as he stormed off. I don't need you anyways.
Feha, a familiar voice called out. Are you okay? Uncle Barry approached Feha, dressed in his crisp pilot's uniform and cap. I was expecting a huge smile on your face.
Akra wants to make the glider design instead of the jet, so he just quit, Feha replied. Now the whole day is ruined. I'll never get to the airport or fly planes.
Ah, said Uncle Barry. Well, the first thing a good pilot always needs to do is stay calm. There's a solution to everything. You just need to find it.
Feha took a deep breath. Okay.
A pilot also needs to be able to work well in teams, Uncle Barry said. Did you listen to Akra? How do you think he feels?
I did interrupt Akra and didn't let him share his ideas, Feha said. That doesn't feel good.
Let's go find Akra, suggested Uncle Barry.
Feha walks over to Akra and apologizes for not listening. He still wants to work with Akra. Akra wants to work with Feha as well. But how will we decide which plane to use? Feha asked Uncle Borey.
Pilots always need to watch the weather conditions and adjust their planes accordingly, Uncle Barry replied.
The bigger wings of the glider will create more lift, Akra said. Remember, we learned that's how airplanes stay in the sky. And since there's no wind today, the bigger wings won't get blown around, added Feha. Feha and Akra ran over to the tables to fold their glider. What do you think, Uncle? Feha asked.
Your design should fly well, started Uncle Barry. But pilots always need to take their time to make sure all of the details are taken care of and done correctly.
After examining the plane, Akra spoke up. We should fold the wings more carefully. 10 minutes until the flying starts, an announcement called out.
You've got time, said Uncle Barry. Stay calm, work together, and pay attention to the details.
A few minutes later, Feha nervously stepped to the throwing line. The other paper airplanes were scattered down the field, way down the field. Akra, you've got a great throw, Feha said. Do you want to fly our plane?
Yes! Akra exclaimed. The glider first swooped high, then dove to the ground, but its long wings caught a little gust of wind, keeping it afloat just above the ground. The crowd roared as the glider kept going and going and going, all the way to the end of the field.
That was a great throw, said Feha. You did it!
We did it! Replied Akra. Our design was the best.
Feha and Akra celebrated together.
We get to go to the airport!
They shouted together.
And you'll both make great pilots one day, added Uncle Barry.